Hi guys, welcome back. So we decided
I told you.
Hi guys, welcome back. So due to the coronavirus going around and many people around the world being stuck in self-quarantine, we've decided that we're gonna do a very light training circuit that you guys can do at home. You can do it together or you can do it alone.
The first exercise, or Scott's gonna tell you what the first So we're gonna do 5 different exercises for 45 seconds each exercise with a 15-second rest in between. Scott's gonna explain the exercises to you now.
So the exercises we're gonna have, the first one will be push-ups. I'm gonna do it, say a normal way. Some of you might find it more difficult, so Jace is gonna do a lighter version, which I know some people have done in the past. Second exercise, we're gonna be doing squats. And for me, it's as many squats as you can do in 45 seconds. That's why I put a time frame on it. Moving on to number 3 is going to be sit-ups. We're going to do together, going to link the legs. If you're alone, you can find a weight to go on your feet, or you can put your feet under something to help you if you need assistance. Going on to exercise number 4, we're going to be doing rear lunge. And you will see that it's difficult if you speed it up, and if you want to put some weights, bottles of water on your shoulder to make it harder, you can do so. And the final exercise will be planks, and they are not my favorite, so probably going to see me not enjoying those. So I hope you all have a good workout and enjoy it. So guys, how did you find it? I hope it was really good. I hope you all managed to do the exercises. Please leave your comment below on how you found this routine so we can work on future exercises to bring to you guys.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see future videos from us. Until then, see you guys soon.
Take care.